Philippine National Police or PNP Chief Police General Romel Marbil ordered all PNP personnel to strictly monitor the movements of armed groups while the filing of certificates of candidacy or COC continues. The PNP explained these groups might be used by corrupt politicians against their rivals in the midterm polls. He added as the elections near, the tension and heated debates between rivals may intensify, and thus the need for police on the ground to be vigilant. The National Police Chief has ordered the ramping up of police visibility, setting up of more checkpoints, and the strengthening of intelligence monitoring in various areas.
Yung pagsasagawa po ng ating mga strategic checkpoints po, particularly doon sa mga areas na may mga previously ay may na-monitor po tayo ng mga intense political rivalries, kasi this would somehow dissuade kung sino man po ang magbabalak na magkakaroon ng kaguluhan doon sa mga areas po na yun.